How to turn off simplified dates in Splitwise. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the simplified dates feature in Splitwise. In order to do so, first of all, open your Splitwise application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, from the main interface, here make sure you have selected the groups option and now select a group for which you would like to disable the simplified dates. Tap on the group and then inside it, here you'll be able to locate the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of the group screen. Simply tap on it and then you will reach to the settings page. In the settings menu page, here you'll need to find the option labeled Simplify Group Dates under the advanced settings. You'll also see the toggle button at the right side of it. If it is turned on, simply tap on the toggle button to turn this off, and this will disable the simplified dates feature for that group. After doing that, the settings will update automatically and simplified dates will no longer apply to that group. Disabling simplified dates means all the repayments within the group will reflect exact amounts owed by each member without any automatic adjustments, and this change affects all the members in the group. So by following the steps, you should be able to turn off simplified dates in Splitwise. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.